Okay, I woke up this morning pretty early, determined to get out and do some wildlife photography. That's all I wanted to do. That's all I like doing. So I woke up. I knew I couldn't do it. I wasn't that good this morning. I'm never good in the mornings. So I took double morphine again this morning. I take double morphine, then I can get out, and it's the only way I can do things. And then after about an hour, it's bearable. You know, the pain has gone, the ache has gone, the constant throb has gone, and it's just bearable. It's just in the background now. And I look at people and I think how lucky you are to be able to walk. There's someone walking down there now, not a care in the world. I wish I could do that. And if it wasn't for this truck, I wouldn't be able to get here. I couldn't get out here. And when I do get out here, I'm on double morphine. Otherwise I couldn't get here. I couldn't do anything. I'm a wildlife photographer. I've just got to find the wildlife. That's what I need. I don't need an off-road vehicle. There's more places that they can go off-road. There's bridleways, there's hundreds of them, thousands of them. But I'm just sitting here in my truck on a beautiful day, alone. If I take my normal dose of morphine, I'm just sitting there, nothing, doing nothing, can't do anything. Pain 24/7, it just throbs and throbs and throbs. And you've just had enough. You can't be doing with it all the time. So when I want to go out, I take double morphine in the morning, and then I can get out here. And it's beautiful. It's all I want. Get out here, take photos, sit here quietly. Beautiful. I could definitely live here. So, it just shows how lucky you people are. You can go out and you can go walking, and you can do this and you can do that. But me, no, I can't do that. And I need money to be able to do it. I make loads of mistakes, buy loads of shit, and waste of money. But if I don't try it, I don't know. It's like, because I'm disabled, you're not supposed to be able to do that. Because if you can do that, then you can go and get a job. Who's going to take me on with double morphine? Because double morphine is the only way I can get going. If I don't take double morphine, I'm sitting in my fucking chair at home watching fucking Jeremy Gall or Loose Women and that shit. Hate it. I just want to get out. I've always been out off-roading and playing and motorbikes and quad bikes and out in my boat fishing, and can't do any of that. And it's not the fact that I'm feeling sorry for myself. I'm just trying to get on, just trying to do things. And I've got my DLA to pick thing tomorrow. I'm not looking forward to that. I've got a doctor coming round, he's going to look at me and he's going to say, "Oh yeah, you don't look too good. Well, you look really alright." And I feel okay. I don't like telling people I don't feel shit. I don't like telling people I feel shit. "Oh, how are you?" "Oh, I feel terrible." You don't want to know, do you? You don't want to know. So when people ask me, "How are you doing?" "I'm alright." I'm always alright. I don't like asking for help. If I can't do it, I won't have it. If I can't get up and make a coffee, I won't have a coffee. I'm not going to ask for someone to make me a coffee. If they ask me, that's great. But no, I won't ask anybody. I don't like being disabled. I don't like the way I look. That's me, I don't like me much. I've got to stop spending money. stop fucking spending money. Everything just seems so expensive for the stuff I got to do, I want to do. Like wildlife photographer. I've got a lens. I spent, I think it was £1,000 on that lens. For a 500mm lens. I thought it'd be brilliant. I still haven't got the hang of it. Still haven't got the hang of it. You only put... you only get what you pay for. I think it's a cheap lens. It's a Tamron lens. But then last week before we went down Portsmouth, I saw a lens in a London camera exchange. A Nikon lens, 200 to 500mm, £995, and that was a Nikon lens. Oh, I wish I could have got that. I wish I could have got that. They saw me coming with this other lens, I know you did. It's not worth 500 quid. Probably won't get 500 quid for it. It's lovely out here, I love it. I've always been outside, always worked outside all my life. It's so quiet, so peaceful. And I feel okay. I feel okay. Okay, I can't go hiking up in the woods. But I can sit here and look about and see what's about. Just look at that lot. Just look. It's beautiful. It is beautiful. Everything out there. It's everything I want. No, I can't sit you straight. There we go. So yeah, it's good this. Good. Can't wait to get my canoe out. Go down the river. My arms work. They're okay. I'll have to think of some way of getting it in the water and getting it out the water. Not quite sure how to do that. Like I said, I don't like asking for help. I've always struggled. But I can sit here for hours just doing nothing. It's brilliant, it's brilliant. Onwards and upwards. Onwards and upwards, let's go.